Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to make an account on the Bondee app. So first of all you have to just install the Bondee app from your Play Store. If you not find here, then you have to just follow my previous video on the Bondee app, in which I show you that how to download the Bondee app in your Android phone. Then you have to just open your Bondee app and then click on the agree option here. After this processing may take a while. Now you have to just click on I have already read and agree to the terms and the policies, and then click on the sign up. Then click on this option to select your country or region. Here you have to just select from this country. If your country is not available in this list, you will be not able to make this account. If you find the country here, then you have to just select the country and put here your number, and then just click on the get SMS verification code after this, and then you will get the verification code on your given phone number. After this you will automatically appear to the home page of your account and your account will be successfully created. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.